With me today is Carlos Pacheco, who is the director at Yuum Haxx, where they manufacture hammocks. Thank you for joining me. And well, let's start with some of the basics about your company, Carlos. What products do you manufacture?
Hi, Stephanie. Well, we're dedicated to make hammocks and handcrafts that also use the same material. In this case, are the twits, right? So we make hammock like traditional styles. We also make the American style, as we call it, which are the one with two woods, one of for every end. We also make swings. We make hanging chairs, and there is a new technique these days is used that is called macramé, which is the thread is used to make knots. So with that, we can make dream catchers, tapestries. We also make rocking chairs. Anyways, we have over 160 different products. All of them involve threads in its manufacturing.
Oh, wow, that's incredible. I didn't know you have that many products. And well, where are you located and how long have you been in business?
We are located in Yucatan, Mexico, exactly in the capital city, which is Mérida, and we have been in this business for over 10 years. Okay, we start working with one family of artisans, and now we have a production that is about 150 different families of artisans.
Okay, and so your staff will be like 150 people? Or what will be your staff today?
Well, it would be way more than that because of our family. Let's say about 4 or 5 members of each family dedicated to make this product, which is most of it or most of them are handmade, which that's why we need a lot of people in order to accomplish big orders.
Okay, and have you produced goods for any large or well-known customer?
Well, we started in Mexico wide, let's say, and most of the years we always had mm, I don't know how we call it, just clients that they ask for 1 or 2 hammocks. And since the past 3 to 4 years, we start working with companies. Now we work with hotels, but all of them are located in Mexico. I don't know how familiar you are with them, but we work with hotels in Tulum. We also have hotels in Acapulco. We have a lot of them in the Riviera Maya as well. So I can name a couple, but as a large hotel company, most of them have hotels in all around the world. So I think we have done well so far with them.
Okay, and before Zipfox, were you already focused on the US market?
U.S. market has always been in our plans, but we have had a lot of let's say issues with this, which is due to we don't have uh, a base of clients, a list of companies or people who really want to get a lot of products with us is not easy. It's been difficult because if you want to ship only one product to the US, it's very expensive, which is not convenient for the buyer. So we had tried to make deals with FedEx, DHL, UPS, and it's the same. They demand a minimum of shippings a month, but if we don't have clients, we cannot assure this shipping. So at the end, is the problem is that we haven't had the opportunity of doing shipping in good third prices, let's say. And these last 2 months, we found for the very first time one provider, which is Cepomex or Correos de Mexico, which has the best price that we have found. So now, finally, after 10 years, we have like a small window open in this market, but it's something that we haven't had the enough opportunities to grow.
Okay. I mean, that's great that you already find a solution. And I have heard that before that like shipping for like a small, like a box or something is like really expensive. So it's almost not worth it. And well, right now, a lot is changing in the global supply chain. And with so many companies looking for options outside of Asia, China, a lot of attention is on Mexico. Do you see this moment as an opportunity for Mexico to play a larger role in international trade?
Of course, I mean, just a few companies or artisan companies have really made it through worldwide, and it's because they have found an excellent client or a business person who already own a business and wants to do like big offers, big orders. And in this case, it hasn't been for everybody, which is that's what I'm very excited to, because now it seems that like even for small business, big business, medium size, everybody, we can now make deals, close deals, and United States is right next to us. Why not?
Agree. Like we need man in front of us. And well, as your company grows, I mean, I know that it has been growing, you have it expanding, getting more people to work with you. I mean, you have plans to expand your facility, create even more jobs, add maybe more products to the over 100 that you have. Like, what is the future for your company?
Well, since the beginning, we started with only 10 different kind of products. Now we have over 160. I believe there is still more chance in order to increasing the offers, the models, the styles we offer in the products, due to uh, we are mixing traditional style, traditional techniques, and we are included in nowadays with this macrame, with the modern styles. We believe we have a lot of chance to grow. And besides increasing the model we offer, the kind of products, we also are planning to. We really hope there's at least a small chance that besides the United States, I mean, we can go all continent wide. We can go to Canada and or South America, some places where hammocks are not are used but not made, or are not that popular because they have no chance to get them. I have had people from contacting me, from Italy, from Colombia. They're asking, "Do you ship?" And the answer would be pretty much the same like in States, right? Like it's very expensive so far. I hope we can also find a way to make it better, to make a better deal, so we can expand, well, pretty much worldwide. That's what we really want, because that will be uh, expanding the places where we get, and showing what the the artisans from Yucatan what we can do, what we can make, and show it to the rest of the world.
Okay, Carlos, now I'm really happy to hear your plans. And is there something else that you would like to add? I don't have more questions for you.
Well, it's very interesting the way the uh, Angel showed me this idea of Zipfox. It's pretty much like it's from, yeah, I don't know, it's from the world, from Mexico to the United States, right? Pretty much that's the market. But I have tried to make deals with people that they want to import from here, from Mexico to China, and it was very difficult. I know there is some process. Some of our products they have wood, so I understand this. Some we have some laws that they don't allow us to introduce this kind of materials from one country to another. But this because it was worldwide. United States is right next to us, and I have read that it's not that difficult to introduce product with wood. So I believe we have a better chance to export it to the United States rather than Asia, as an example. So I'm very excited to work with you guys, and whatever you need, please let me know, and I'm available.
Thank you, Carlos. And well, this has been amazing. And we really appreciate you taking the time to introduce your company to the buyers on Zipfox. I will be sure to link your Zipfox profile when we share this story. And we appreciate you being on the platform. Thank you so much, Carlos.
You very much, Stephanie.